Hey there, this is Victoria from CrushCrypto.com, back with another ICO review. Today, I will be talking about Cindicator, which is launching their ICO on September 12th. Cindicator has been getting a lot of attention, and I think there are a few reasons behind the hype. First, their project has a pretty innovative concept. Second, they already have a working model unlike many other crypto projects out there. And third, they have a pretty strong backing. They currently have a grant from Microsoft BizSpark and VC funding, and one of their advisors is the famous Charlie Shrem, who is a founding board member of the Bitcoin Foundation. To explain how Cindicator works, let me first explain a couple of concepts. Collective intelligence is essentially the aggregated opinion of a group of people. The theory, which was first introduced by Aristotle more than 2,000 years ago, is that this results in a much more accurate prediction compared to the prediction of just one individual. A famous example of this was in the early 1900s, when a group of 800 people was asked to guess the weight of an ox. There were some people who were really off, but the median guess was 1,207 pounds, accurate to within 1% of the true weight. We see the concept of collective intelligence applied in many ways all around us. In retail, consumer feedback and brand impressions are frequently aggregated for analysis. In stock trading, we may look at the consensus recommendation of Wall Street analysts. And social information sites such as Wikipedia, Yahoo Answers, and Quora also use this concept of collective opinion. AI is the ability of computers or machines to think and learn. And hybrid intelligence utilizes both collective intelligence and AI to make even better predictions. For example, more accurate forecasters are given higher weights in the system to make future predictions more accurate. So how does Cindicator play into all of this? Cindicator has a working mobile app that anyone can download and start answering questions. Users are given a reward for participation, and the top forecasters win prizes in dollars or bitcoins. Cindicator also designs and creates the computer infrastructure that supplements these predictions. And Cindicator then sells their proprietary knowledge to those in the asset management field. Cindicator was founded in 2015. Their goal to improve decision-making abilities in investing by using collective intelligence. The platform, now as a mobile app, asks users questions about the financial and cryptocurrency markets. Cindicator aims to develop the infrastructure that provides a number of benefits to these markets, as we highlight in these bullet points. So a couple of days ago, I downloaded their mobile app to test it out myself. I found the interface to be quite nice and the app is pretty easy to use. Here are some screenshots to show you what it looks like. The first is what you'll see when you click on one of the questions that they have open to everyone. What it says here is, Bitcoin set a new all-time high of $4,489 last week. In your opinion, what will be its price on January 1st, 2018? The second shows the actual answer of a forecast that has already ended and how you scored. The third is their stats page, which shows you how you did and how you rank compared to other users. The last one here talks about their prize fund, which is increasing every month. At the end of each month, the prize is split among the top 2% of forecasters, so it's kind of like a risk-free way to potentially earn a little bit of money. You can download the iOS or Android app yourself and give it a try. This is a pretty busy slide, so I just wanted to highlight a few things here. The idea of Cindicator was first conceived in 2014. A year later, they released their app in the Apple Store. They've since gone through several rounds of funding, launched integrations of several hedge funds and banks, and released their Android app. And here are some of the things that they are planning to do. The funds that they raised through their ICO will partially help support these initiatives. Let's talk a bit now about their ICO, which is coming up on September 12th. Cindicator will be issuing tokens under the ticker CND and have set a hard cap of $15 million US. With a conversion rate of 1 cent per token, that means the ICO will have a maximum market cap of $20 million. So what are the tokens going to be used for? CND tokens are used to incentivize forecasters to provide accurate forecasts. The more accurate they are, the more tokens they will earn. Token holders can get exclusive access to indicators, indices, data, and so on. The level of access they get will depend on the number of tokens they have, which is in turn influenced by how active they are on the platform. And lastly, additional intelligence can only be purchased using CND tokens. The more valuable Cindicator intelligence is, and the more people join the platform, the more valuable CND tokens will become. Cindicator currently has a team of 11 people, each with relevant experience in their own fields. The CEO was the co-founder of Wobot, which is a Russian analytics and research firm focused on social media. The CTO and COO was previously CEO and COO of Octobrain, an R&D group focused on AI and virtual reality. Cindicator also has a strong lineup of advisors, including Charlie Shrem, the founding member of Bitcoin Foundation. He's also a director at Jax, which is a blockchain interface and wallet. There's also the founder of Waves, which is a crypto platform for creating custom tokens. A few points we want to highlight here on the opportunities. First, the hard cap of $15 million is relatively low for this project, which looks pretty solid to us, so we think the downside is relatively more limited here. Second, multiple institutional investors have already invested in Cindicator, meaning that the company has already passed the rigorous due diligence of these investors. Third, the project is 2 years in the making, and its mobile app now has over 10,000 users. Cindicator also announced that 2 funds have decided to contribute to the crowd sale, in addition to being their existing clients. 4. The cryptocurrency market is quite speculative and irrational right now. With Cindicator's platform, investors can better understand what the crowd thinks in real time and act accordingly based upon the information. And 5. Their token system makes sense to us because it provides an incentive for forecasters to actively participate and to provide accurate predictions. And some of the things that we want to highlight. First, Cindicator is targeting both the traditional financial market and the crypto market. Since these are quite different in terms of infrastructure, Cindicator may have trouble focusing on these 2 markets at the same time. Second, there are a number of competitors in the AI and finance space already, including Numerai, Enigma, and other crypto data providers such as Sentiment and CoinDash. All of these projects have a market cap in the $25 to $15 million range, and it may be difficult for Cindicator to trade that much higher than its competitors. Overall, we at Crush Crypto like this ICO and we think it could be good for flipping. The project is quite solid with a team, advisors, investors, press coverage, fundraising limit, and awareness in the crypto community, all being above average. It could also be good for long-term holding. The financial data industry is very large, and the crypto subset is just getting started. With a working platform that has good reception and usage, we believe they have a very good chance to succeed. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you found it useful. If you want to learn more, please take a look at our full report on crushcrypto.com. You can also check out Cindicator's own website or their subreddit for more info. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get our latest updates. The crypto market is very speculative right now, so remember to spend time on your research, stay safe, and err on the side of caution. All the best with your crypto game, and I will see you next time.